will be my sacrifice.
What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1965 Fastback Mustang. This one here has a 289 under the hood. We'll be taking her down the road, point out any kind of flaws I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We do this with all the videos and all the cars on the lot. Got front disc brakes on this one. Aftermarket set of Riddler wheels. Should be a good test drive. This is also a 4-speed car. Guys, check out my website, maplemotors.com, for close to 100 detailed pictures, financing, and shipping information. And if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button. We post videos every day. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, guys, before we take off, we're going to check all the stuff out in the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you believe the horn works on this one? A little game I like to play since half the horns don't work, because they're all 60 model cars. Dash isn't too bad, but it does have some minor crack. Probably need to replace it. Coming across the interior here, you got a tip gauge. Start it up. Got your tip gauge, it is coming up. Gas gauge, we're gonna stop at the gas station because it's showing E, it's probably empty. Showing 84,000 miles, I can't stand behind that. Radio, jamming. Blower motor is blowing, it is working. Horn works. Wipers work. All right, guys. This thing's pretty sweet. Let's hit the road. Today we're taking my lovely wife. She wanted to go to lunch, so let's roll out. You gotta put your seatbelt on. People get mad about that.
Oh.
All right, guys, getting ready to take off, go down the road. I'm gonna point out any kind of flaws that I can find so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Definitely run into the gas station, and then I'm gonna take this pretty little lady to lunch. No power steering in this one, so you gotta get to rolling a little bit so you can easily turn it. All right, guys, let's do this. Clutch felt pretty good letting out. Speedometer's coming up on the dash here. Steering's nice and tight. It is pulling to the right. When I let go of the steering wheel, it pulls us off the road. Solo gear's nice and smooth. Still got good power on it. Got up to speed, let's hit the brakes. It's stopping nice and fast. Not too bad. Turn signals are popping up on the dash on both sides. We're gonna pull into the gas station right here and throw about $20 worth of premium fuel in the car. And I'll let you know about that gas gauge. Ooh. Tires rubbed a little bit in the right front. And your gas cap's in the back on this one, so let's fill her up. Got a Mustang hollering in the background. Oh, this thing's creeping. Let's cut it up. So we're gonna fill it up. Oh, about $20, not fill it up. And we'll check that gauge out. See what it does. Okay, I just sat back down in the car. We're gonna start it up. Gas gauge is over here on the left. See how low it is? See her come up? Looks like it's working. All right, now it's time to take off, head towards the lot. Oh, actually, where are we going to eat? That's the biggest decision in the world right now. So far so good. Engine temps are right there in the center. This car feels awesome. It runs and drives great. Seen a little bit of smoke coming out the exhaust. I think it may be gas. And again, where are we eating? I don't care. Okay, I like that place.
Me too. I think they got their old fries back.
Somebody not get there. Why'd they get rid of? A little squeak from that belt up there too. If y'all have noticed, every time I rev it, you hear a little squeak coming up. May need a new belt. Animal control is gonna get you. That's why they're gonna get you. Oh yeah, with this doinger on my head. Yeah, I'm so used to it. Hey guys. I do not like coming up this way. That's why I don't ever go the opposite way, guys. This is the worst spot ever. Almost need a light here. You just kind of got to go. You can't ever see what's coming. We're out of here. We're going to take this too. Suspension's nice and smooth. I don't have a speed bump to jump over today, but HPD's out cruising. There you go. We have found our lunch spot, guys. I do hope y'all enjoyed this test drive. I'm gonna keep them coming your way. Definitely check out the walk around video. It's a 2-in-1 deal. That way you know everything about the car before you get here. And I'm gonna put her far away from everybody else. Back here in the corner. It does go in reverse pretty nice. All the gears are silky smooth. Silky just like you. It may just be the corniest thing I've ever said. Guys, if you don't mind, check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. I post videos like this every day. Go on test drives. Normally don't take my wife with me, but today was special. So hit that subscribe button. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok. And I appreciate y'all following. Also appreciate y'all sharing these videos. You help me out greatly. Definitely look for that walk around video of this car. That way you can see all the flaws inside out underneath. Thanks again, guys. Later.